So I actually use the rice cooker a lot. In fact, I have 3 rice cookers. So today I want to share with you a very simple, delicious chicken and thyme with rice recipe. Everything is cooked in one pot, and the best part, you won't need to compromise on taste. So let's get started. So the chicken skin and fat is going to add a lot more flavor to the rice. But if you don't want the rice to be too oily, you can always trim off as much fat as possible. It's still going to be tasty, just a bit lighter. First, let's marinate the chicken. I'm using 3/4 teaspoon salt. I'm seasoning it a bit more than usual because the flavors will absorb into the rice. Then add the juice from 1/4 of a lemon. Mix everything together, then let it marinate for about half an hour. Another ingredient we're going to use is thyme. I'm trying to use less seasoning in my cooking, so more herbs, more natural ingredients. And this thyme is just so aromatic and flavorful that you don't need much ingredients to make this a tasty meal. 2 cups of rice. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. So usually I will rinse 3 to 4 times. Then strain off the excess water. Now loads of garlic for this recipe. Roughly chop them. It's going to add so much flavor to the dish. Then set them aside. This part is pretty crucial. How you arrange the ingredients is going to make a lot of difference to the taste of the dish. First, let's add some oil. Then add the garlic, thyme, then add the chicken, skin side down. I'm going to add just a little bit more oil. Then choose quick cook, press start. If you're using a basic rice cooker, you probably won't have the quick cook function, so just use the cook rice function. It's gonna take about 5 minutes or so for the rice cooker to heat up. And once it starts sizzling, just continue to cook until the chicken skin turns golden brown in color. Okay, it's sizzling now. Smells so good. Different rice cookers heat up differently, so don't worry if your chicken skin doesn't turn golden brown. A light brown color will do just fine. Skin has turned golden brown in color. Let's remove the chicken. Add the rice, water, chicken. This time, skin side up. Level out the rice so that it cooks evenly. Then choose cook rice function and press start. Okay, it's done. Can't wait to try this. Wow, smells so good. Season with a bit of salt, black pepper. Garnish with some coriander. The rice is cooked well, it's so fragrant. Look at that. A nice meal just using rice cooker. Okay, let me try this. This is so tasty. I hope you try it. See you next time.